Tired of drowning in a sea of paper receipts every single tax season? What if you could turn your phone into an AI-powered scanner and generate professional expense reports in just seconds? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at Smart Receipts, an incredibly handy tool designed to make digital receipt management, expense tracking, and tax prep completely effortless. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone trying to keep your personal finances in check, this app is built to save you hours of manual data entry. Smart Receipts is available on iOS, Android, and the web, and it's already trusted by over 500,000 people worldwide. The app was actually designed by a traveling consultant, so it's built specifically for speed and flexibility. Let's talk about how it works. The standout feature here is the AI-powered OCR technology. When you scan a paper or digital receipt, the app automatically extracts the merchant's name, the date, the total amount, the tax, and even the payment method in seconds. No more tedious typing. Once your receipts are in the system, you can organize them and generate professional reports. You can export these reports as PDFs, CSVs, or zip files, making it incredibly easy to send them over to your employer or your accountant. Plus, the app features intuitive graphs so you can visually track your spending and find quick ways to save. You also get automatic cloud backups, meaning your financial data is always secure and accessible from anywhere, and you can even import receipts directly from your email. Now, let's talk about reviews. While we don't have a detailed breakdown of individual third-party user reviews today, the platform itself notes over 18,000 reviews and a massive user base of 500,000 people, which speaks volumes about its reliability. The main pro is clearly the time saved by the automatic AI scanning and the flexible export options. On the flip side, because we have limited external review data, we always recommend starting with the free version to see how the OCR handles your specific style of receipts before fully committing. Overall, if you want to stop losing receipts and start organizing your finances, Smart Receipts is definitely worth a look. You can get started for free by visiting smartreceipts.co or downloading it on your mobile app store. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and let me know in the comments how you currently manage your expenses. See you in the next video.